Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to the mid-market update. Firstly, our Indian markets opened on a very flat note, about 50 odd points up on the Sensex and 10 to 12 points up on the Nifty. Because of some kind of flattish to poor show from the US markets, like the manufacturing data didn't come out good. That didn't surprise the numbers as well for the Asian markets. But coming back to the reforms and the policies initiated by the government and good auto sales data has lifted the sentiments of the Indian market. It's currently also trading up by nearly 40 to 50 odd points up on the Sensex, followed by the gain and buying in pharma, oil and gas, auto and cement sectors. Now cement companies are in focus almost, they are at like the all-time highs, 52-week high, because infrastructure related construction spending is going to improve as the monsoon has almost ended. And we see that more of the reforms on the infra side will be initiated on the first come basis. So that will kind of benefit the cement companies like ACC, Ambuja and other companies. So those stocks are doing good, up by almost 2 to 3%. In fact, Ambuja Cement have touched the new high of 214.5. So this easily implies that there is a lot amount of buying happening in those stocks. Coming on to the auto numbers, which came out to be well better than the street estimates. So Maruti, even M&M and Tata Motors have been reasonably doing good and seen amount of some buying happening in those stocks. But I mean, coming back to the two-wheeler sales data, they were not that up to the analyst estimates. So even you can take a beating like Hyundai means take a beating. After that, coming out to the forex market, rupees again strengthening for the fourth consecutive day. It has touched the 5-month high of 52.30. Against the US dollar. So because of the reforms and the fiscals that has been happening and gaining into the Indian economy, so we are seeing some definitely a good momentum on the forex market, which is in fact benefiting Indian importers, and on the other side exporters are also selling dollars. So that implies that we are seeing more upside in the rupee from current levels. Friends, again Malia stocks are in news. Kingfisher fell almost 4.9%, almost hitting the intraday circuit lower of 5% after they have stopped operating any flights till Thursday after the issues with the aviation minister because of the safety concerns. So we are seeing some kind of a selling in that counter. On the United Spirits, which is their ongoing talks with the Diageo, the stock opened about 6% up and is trading at almost again all-time high. Sooner or later there might be some announcement that they're going to sell 25% stake in that company. So friends, that's all the news and updates we have. For more updates, we'll get back to you in the post market. Thank you.